Welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject General Knowledge. Topic Second Names, page 44, and In My India, page number 45. I, Ritu Bishramola, your GK teacher, hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, we completed in our last video till page number 43. Today, we will study page number 44. So children, today we will study second names. So here, some places in India are also known by a special name or a nickname, or we can say second name. So children, now read the clues and unscramble the word to get the correct answer. So first is, it is called the Pink City of India. So here letters given P-I-A-U-J-R. Children, if we unscramble these letters, we change these letters, then we will get the correct name. So, if we unscramble P-I-A-U-J-R, the answer we will get Jaipur. So, Jaipur is also known as Pink City of India. Let's move on the second. It is called the City of Nawabs, and it is also famous for its kebabs. So here the letters given K-N-U-W-O-L-C. If we unscramble these letters, then we will get the correct answer Lucknow. L-U-C-K-N-O-W. Lucknow. So Lucknow is called, also known as City of Nawabs, and it is also famous for its kebabs. So Lucknow's kebabs are most famous. Number 3. This state is called the Land of 5 Rivers. The state is also called Land of 5 Rivers. The letters given here J-B-U-A-N-P. If we unscramble these letters, the answer we will get Punjab. So Punjab is also known as Land of 5 Rivers. Number 4. The city is called the Gateway of India. It is also called the home of Bollywood, the Indian film industry. And the letters given here B-A-M-U-I-M. If we unscramble these letters, the answer we will get Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I. Mumbai. So in Mumbai, the Gateway of India is most popular, and it is also called the home of Bollywood, the Indian film industry. Let's move on to number 5 sentence. It information technology, capital of India. All major IT companies and their offices are here. And the letters given here ENU, LURAGB. If we unscramble these letters, the answer we will get Bangalore. BENGALURU, Bangalore. Number 6. The state is called God's own country because of its natural beauty. So the letters given here REKALA. If we unscramble these letters, the answer we will get KERALA, Kerala. So Kerala is the state is called God's own country because of its natural beauty. Let's move on to number 7. The state is known as the Tea Garden of India because of its famous tea state. The letters we get here SASAM. If we unscramble these letters, the answer we will get Assam. ASSAM, Assam. Assam is the state is known as the Tea Garden of India because of its famous tea states. Let's read Info Bites. Rishikesh in Uttarakhand is also known as the yoga capital of the world. The place has many yoga centers. Children, now let's study the page number 45. Children, now let's study in my India some Indian monuments that are famous the world over. Now children, let's read some Indian monuments that are famous the world over. So now children, see the first picture. This temple in New Delhi is built in the shape of a lotus flower. Now children, this temple looks like a lotus flower. So name of this temple is Lotus Temple. Come to the number 2. See the second picture. This monument built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in Jaipur is also called the Palace of Wind. So its name is Hawa Mahal. Come to the number 3rd picture. See the 3rd picture. This gate at Rajpath, New Delhi, was built in memory of the 70,000 Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. So name of this picture is India Gate. Come to the number 4th picture. It is the largest mosque in India. It was built by Shah Jahan in Delhi. So the name of this picture is Jama Masjid. J-A-M-A Jama M-A-S-J-I-D Jama Masjid. Come to the number 5th picture. It is a large marble building in Kolkata. It was built in memory of Queen Victoria. It is now a museum. So name of this picture is Victoria Memorial. So children, I hope you understood page 44 and 45. Now the homework is learn page number 44, some second names, and page 45 in my India. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.